Welcome to Kwanzoo. Our offsite intent module captures and market buyer interest matched to specific intent topics across more than 90,000 media websites and 23,700 topic keywords. Each lead represents an in-market buyer actively researching products or solutions similar to yours. In this video, we will walk you through how to set up filters and refine your offsite intent leads. Before unlocking, save your presets and configure auto unlock with daily and monthly volume caps, all while using the Offsite Intent Leads add-on for the Kwanzoo Signals Hub. To begin, make sure your offsite intent topics are configured. These topics are related to your product or solution. As buyers go browsing and consuming content across multiple media websites or domains, our tech matches the buyer behavior to one or more intent topics of interest to your business. We specifically look for changes or a spike in buyer interest in a set of intent topic keywords in a short period of time, say a few days, thus indicating buyer intent. Now let's walk you through the first level of filters in the Offsite Intent Leads configuration wizard. These help you define your ideal customer profile and focus only on the most relevant offsite intent signals. Upload ICP account list. Upload a list of your priority accounts to ensure they're always included. Your ICP account list. CSV file looks something like this. The account name and account domain fields are mandatory. Rest of the fields can be added into the file to complete the account information shared back with you within the app. Firmographic filters. Refine by industry, revenue, and company size. Persona filters. Target specific job titles, seniority levels, or departments. You can upload a job title keyword file to target the right personas. Examples of title keywords are VP Operations, Senior Manager Finance, Sales Manager, or Demand Generation Accounts. Block list. Exclude accounts you don't want to pursue. Upload the accounts block list. CSV with account domains such as acmecorp.com. Leads block list. Block individual leads you've already engaged with or disqualified. Upload the leads block list. CSV with email addresses that you want to block, such as john@acmecorp.com. Once your configuration is saved, you will start seeing leads on the unlock screen based on these filters. The first set of leads typically appears within 24 to 72 hours, as Kwanzoo begins processing your configured topics and filters. After that, new leads will refresh automatically and appear on your unlock screen every 24 hours. And we recommend applying broader filters in the configuration wizard. There is no cost for offsite intent leads that simply appear on the unlock screen. So keep your first level filters broad enough to include all potential leads of interest. Now, let's talk about the second level filters that you can apply on the unlock lead screen to refine these leads further. Right before unlocking them, once you review the leads list on the unlock screen, you can apply more specific filters, and then unlock only the leads that meet your exact criteria. Choose offsite leads sourced within the last 30 days. Select all configured intent topics or just a subset that are most relevant. Refine by the configured account segments. Account segments may be SMB versus mid-market or could be industry-based or any other criteria. Prioritize by job title, keywords, or seniority levels. Narrow down by specific industries. Prioritize companies in your desired revenue range or employee size. Refine further by the buyer's city or state. These filters help you get to the most relevant, high-value offsite intent leads before unlocking. Now that you have refined your filters, you can save them as presets for quick use later. This makes it easy to prioritize the most valuable leads. Finally, you can set up auto-unlock rules so the system delivers new leads automatically. Without manual effort, just define your daily and monthly caps to control how many leads are unlocked. And that's it. You have learned how to configure topics, set up your filters, refine leads before unlocking, and automate lead delivery with caps. With Offsite Intent Leads, Kwanzoo helps you reach in-market buyers faster, with precision and control. If you have questions, reach out to us at customersuccess@kwanzoo.com.